Spicy. Feel the lemon. Alright, hello everyone. Now we are here at the Giovanni shrimp truck. So now we're gonna try to get some shrimp, and I'll give you guys a I guess an overall rate and how I like it and all that. Just so you know, I don't really eat shrimp, but for this kind of situation, I'll make an exception. So let's go. Spicy? That's it. So excited. Never been excited to eat seafood. 39, thank you. Alright, so we got our number. So the next thing we should do is just wait for them to call us, and yeah. So we'll wait. That's me. Oh yeah, hot sauce on the side. You're good. No, you're good. Let's find a spot. Let's try. Alright, so this is it. If you look at this right here, so this is the famous shrimp that they were talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. And as I mentioned, I don't really eat shrimp much, but in this case, I will make an exception. It's gonna be a little messy, but let me actually take a photo first, just for keepsake. Okay. Let's try it, but I'm gonna squeeze a lime first. It with rice, a little bit of sauce. Spicy. Feel the lemon, but I don't know how to describe it. We're talking to someone who hasn't actually had like shrimp here, but I guess the taste is okay. It's not chewy, but I like the sauce that they actually put. It's spicy, as you can see. I was actually coughing, so it's good, I guess. going to do another stop after this, so this is just the first thing on our list. So, but overall, I think I would say I don't know. It's hard to actually like make a rate on this right now. But if I have to rate it from 1 to 10, this is my opinion, okay? From 1 to 10, I'll probably do a 7. Yeah. I guess the hype is more like better than what you expect, because I guess I've been waiting for this for like months and trying to see, you know, like what I would actually like have to say about this meal. But again, it's a good meal, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna like lie. I don't like shrimp, but this is an exception, and yeah, I do like it. But will I come back for it? No, probably not. Just for the experience, sure, with other people, but yeah. Yeah, so I'll do another scoop and then we'll just have to finish this. But yeah, we're gonna end this right now, this video. We're gonna go to another location to actually find another food. But yeah, so 7 out of 10. Really good, not too good for me, I guess. And yeah, so a little let down, but I'm still gonna finish it. Gonna stick with 7 out of 10. I'm sorry. Someone's telling me like I should have put it higher, but sorry, I have standards. You know, I thought it was gonna be like what I expected it to be, but no. So yeah, as a well, if you're a shrimp person, is what my partner was saying, then yeah. But no, 7 out of 10. I'm gonna stick with that. But I did grab some sliced pineapple, which is good, and some Coke. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll ask some other people's opinion about, like, you know, that. We heard earlier that the guy was saying, like, you know, it's a rip-off and all that, but maybe this guy's been here for who knows how long. So, you know, that's his opinion. But I'm gonna give him props. I mean, like, it does kind of like, it tastes good. I like the sauce, the spiciness. It's good. Yeah, we're going to the other one, other food truck later on. It's called the Bald Guy. So I'm gonna give my humble opinion with that once we get there. So stay tuned. I appreciate it. See, we got it. Now we're gonna try it. Hey, all right. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, now we're talking. Here we go. This looks like sweet, so I'm expecting it to be sweet. Do we have like sauce or something? Let me double check. Do you have like ketchup or any hot stuff? Okay, so no ketchup or anything. So, alright, we're gonna try it, and again, I am Mr. Rate, so I'm going to rate the food as soon as I start eating it. Alright. This looks really sweet. So, apple sweet. There you go. Alright. It is sweet. I think they marinated with like a lot of sweet and all that, but hey, better than shrimp, I guess. It's really good. It's a little like, doesn't look juicy, but this will do the trick. I mean the thing. So just gonna devour it and continue with our journey for today. So as soon as we're done with this, we're heading to Turtle Bay Resort. The reason why I'm going to Turtle Bay is because, I mean, the view is fantastic, and if you watch that movie, forget Sarah Marshall or something like that. So that's where it actually happened. So we're gonna go there and check the scenery, maybe the few clips or places that they actually did the movie and all that. Then yeah, we're gonna share it all with you guys, and hope you guys will enjoy it. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this, and again, hope you guys like this video, because we're gonna do a little more like, you know, like sightseeing in the place, and hopefully you guys will like it. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this channel, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, as I mentioned, to Going Without Vlog. So, right, the iconic Giovanni. Like I mentioned, it's 7 out of 10. But we would like to do a autograph signing right here, but we don't have a Sharpie. But let's see if they can lend us a Sharpie. Hi! Do you guys have a Sharpie we can borrow? Thank you. The shrimp was good, by the way. Yeah. Alright, so we can do it now. I will. Now I let my channel there, so if you guys want to, you know, watch this vlog for today about the shrimp ramen, feel free to do so.